Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Centers coming to you live from Hue, Vietnam, guys. Things are not looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. It's now dropped below 46,000, and we're seeing Bitcoin in the house is 45,800 some change. We're seeing a lot of the crypto currencies going down now, and we're seeing things are not looking good for crypto in general, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 45,809 in the house, and I know a lot of you out there are not feeling very happy about this. We're seeing that a lot of the old coins are going down. We're seeing the market cap going down as well. And what is some of the catalysts that's making this happen, guys? You're probably wondering, why is Bitcoin going down? And that's going to definitely be affecting Shiba Inu and the Doja Wojer in the house, guys. And sure, I know that a lot of newbies out there, you guys are really losing your faith, and you guys are probably starting to panic out there. So if you're starting to panic, don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, and comment in the house, guys. Tell me how much are you panicking? Are you guys think it's the end of the crypto world? Is this the end of the bull run? Guys and gals, tell me exactly how you feel out there. Be honest, guys. Tell me how you feel. I'd love to hear it, guys. So some of the reasons we're seeing that we're going down right now is we're seeing that a lot of the broader markets right now are just going down, down. And as I said in earlier videos, we got a whole bunch of I guess you could say catalysts. Catalysts can be positive or negative depending on how things swing, either up or down. And we're seeing that China, they just cut their interest rate, and that's the first time since we had this whole outbreak thing. We're seeing that we've got a shorter holiday week, because it's we got Christmas coming. Merry Christmas, everybody. We got the Christmas coming. We got Santa coming, and it's going to be a shorter week. So we have the China news. We've got a lot of China related FUD, and that happens to do with people selling Bitcoin. But overall, we're seeing more positive outlook for crypto in America. More people are hodling, more people are buying in America and Europe, but it doesn't seem to be translating into the price, guys. And then also we've got this, the other thing that's also causing the Bitcoin to go down right now is we've got this whole the ovarian is scaring all the people right now. So that is not good news in the house, guys. So overall, things are not looking pretty good, guys. And if we look at the total market cap right now, let me just give this a minty refresh, because sometimes the internet can be a little bit wonky here. And we've seen the market cap has gone down again. It was 220 trillion about 2 hours ago. It's going down again, and the volumes are not looking pretty good in the house either, guys. And that's 67.54 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is just kind of going sideways. That's not what we want to see, guys and gals. So I know a lot of you are getting pretty depressed in the house right now. So if you look at the Shiba Inu right now is also breaking down, as you can see. It's trading right now at 29.24. So, a lot of the reasons that we're seeing a lot of the cryptos breaking down right now is because of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is fundamentally not because of Dogecoin, because of Bitcoin, excuse me. Get your words right, OG. Get your words right. What's going on over there? You're losing your mind. And because of, Bitcoin is going down and the Bitcoin dominance is so high, we're seeing that's having a major effect on all of the cryptocurrencies out there. So it's just not looking good. If you look at Bitcoin on the weekly as well, we're still going down, and we're at 48,806. So, I think we could be going all the way down to 42,000. And we've had this huge descending wedge, guys, that you can really paint it from here, and we can see this whole descending wedge that's been kind of going in this direction for quite some time, and that is not positive in the house, guys. It's definitely not positive in the house. And we could continue going down until we hit the bottom apex of this descending triangle. I mean, I'm hoping that we can break out sometime soon. We did have some support around here, and that's become resistance. So, where is our immediate support line for Bitcoin? Well, I would say that our immediate support line is around about this area, guys and gals. So, and that's just at the 45.89, and that's where we see some immediate support. And we've seen this here before in a couple of areas. and we can go all the way back over here. We saw that support as well. So that seems to be a significant support area for Bitcoin. Can we break out of that? Can we break out of that and start to see ourselves going up in this direction? We're going to have to, guys. If we don't go up soon, we're going to see a huge breakdown to the downside, and that could take us all the way to around about $39,000 in the house, which is another targeted area as well. We have 39,000 as well, which is an area of support. So hopefully, and that's where the end of this apex, by the way, ends. So let's just mark that in as well. So we could see 39,000 as being a key support level as well. And that would be around about here, guys, at 39,000. Let me just paint that in for you. So, I think a lot of you are getting pretty worried in the house right now, and that would be our key support here. So, and you can see that also, that's a convergence with this bottom of this apex as well. That is going around about down to the $39,000 area. So it's not looking good for Bitcoin right now. So you guys just gonna have to hold your horses, and it's not looking good. It's all I gotta say. I can't say it's looking good when it's not. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 16.38, and it's forming pretty much the same kind of pattern as Bitcoin. And you can see that we have this huge wedge shape that has basically, been going since May, and it's been very disappointing, and it's just not looking good for Dogecoin too. We have some major support for Dogecoin about 15.29, so we seem to be bouncing up above that. And Dogecoin is absolutely not going to be making any movies until we see Bitcoin break out, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum as well is breaking down. We have some support here, but it's not looking good for Ethereum as well in the house right now. As you can see here, we kind of have this this head and shoulder pattern here, but this is supposed to be bullish or break the upside, but it hasn't. We've broken down, so we've got some resistance at 4,000 as well. That's not looking good. So basically, y'all, it's looking pretty bad in the house, guys. And we got some news out right now. It looks like some news. Monster bull means whales could secure the next Bitcoin price surge. So we could see that we see a lot of whales are still buying. We've seen whales buying, and these are the same whales that bought at lower prices, sold at 60, and they're starting to buy back in, guys. And we got billionaire Ray Dalio. He's still impressed how Bitcoin survived the last decade, and he really hated Bitcoin, and he was like a gold maxi. And, he also said that now he also owns some Bitcoin and Ethereum, but when asked how much he owns, he didn't respond. So, so this is pretty good news in the house. But we're seeing, there's a lot of positive fundamentals out there for Bitcoin, but it just doesn't seem to be moving, guys. So Bitcoin wobbles below 46K as one BTC passes 800 Turkish lira for the first time in history. So, we're seeing just this whole a lot of volatility coming at the end of 2021. This is not where we thought. We thought that we would have a whole reversal and we'd see things going up to the upside. But, we're actually making ourselves ready for some heavy volatility in the last few weeks of the year. So it looks like the max pain could be coming, and that max pain could be coming around about 40,000. So, we could expect a dip down to 40,000 on the Bitcoin, which would take us around about this area here. And that also corresponds. You see, the bottom of this apex also corresponds exactly to what they were talking about in that article at the $40,000 level. And that could signify a huge upside for us. So that could be coming, guys. So hopefully that does come, and I do expect something to come, and we should see a reversal pretty soon. Remember, we do have that whole death cross as well that has painted. We saw that here. This is one of the reasons that we're seeing that Bitcoin is going down, because of this death cross that has painted. Also, the other thing we could be looking at too is that, with the death cross, with the China announcement, and all of these things that's going on in the O variant, it seems like quite coincidental that all these things seem to, converge at the same time. Is this true? Is this just spin a narrative by the whales who want to, drive the Bitcoin price down and scare the retail investor to sell the coins? because we're still seeing that a lot of the retail investors are still just sitting on the sidelines right now, and that is not good. We need the retail investors to basically get in the game, and they have not been getting in the game. They're just sitting on the sidelines. And if the retail investors did get in the game, that would help to push the biddy price up. And if Bitcoin goes up, then we're definitely going to be seeing that the Dogecoin and all the other coins are going to smash up and go up the upside, guys. So U.S. Treasury officials beckon new stablecoin regulations, and they're kind of saying that the regulators right now are saying that if Congress doesn't enact the regulation, then they're going to use their authority to enact some regulations for the regulation of a stablecoin that's within their scope. So that's what they're saying. They're waiting for the oversight committee, but if nothing happens, then they're going to use the powers that they have under the Treasury powers to create some broad strokes for stablecoin regulation. I mean, I don't think that's a bad thing. I think stablecoin regulation is a pretty good thing. Now, Visa is pretty bullish on Bitcoin, and Visa executive Bitcoin is a technological phenomenon, and Visa and crypto will go side by side. You know that Visa has created it created a giant payment advisory board to help companies and clients properly understand the world of crypto. And, they also want to be, enabling crypto payments on their Visa card, CBDC, and fiat payments. So they want to have, basically a, cross-sectional payment processing platform where they can accept crypto, where they can accept CBDCs and fiat. So Visa aims to provide our crypto advisory services to clients globally wherever there is interest, and currently we offer services in markets where the regulations permit such transactions. So they are saying that right now Visa is allowing some crypto transactions and payment by crypto in those areas that are less regulated. So that's pretty bullish, guys. That is bullish in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the coins in the house and see how we're actually doing out there. So let me just give this a minty refresh. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin has gone down 2.89% in the house, and it's at 46,023. It's not looking good right now. It's not looking good, and we're down 21%. We're seeing Ethereum as well at $3,800 in the house, and that's down 3.64%. We are seeing, BNB is also down almost 4%, and Solana is down 8% right now, and that's at $171. So let's just take a look at Solana in-house right now. And Solana is breaking down, and it's just at its support level of 170. So hopefully this support level will hold, and we will continue on up. But I would say it's probably not likely that Solana is going to hold this level. We see ourselves breaking down as low as 160. We could lose about $10 in the house, guys. So that's pretty sad news, but you're seeing everything kind of breaking down. Luna is still defying the odds. It's at up 1.52% and at 75.58. Avalanche is down. It's at over $104 right now. It's 6.87. So that's not looking pretty good. DOT is down 5.5%, and we're seeing Doji is down 3.38%, and that's 16.66 in the house. Now, Shiba Inu is not doing good as well. It's also down to 3.0, that's down 6.31%. And we're seeing Matic is also down as well. And you can see here that Matic is absolutely starting to break down. And hopefully this level here will hold as support. If not, then we will probably crash into the $1.992 area. And then who knows where we're going to go from there. Looks like we have some support around the 172. So that would be our next stop around about 172, guys. So that is not good. That is absolutely not good in the house. So hopefully we can hold that 172 area, and that would be excellent if we could do that, but it's not looking likely right now. So hopefully we can hold that 172 area in the house, guys. So overall, guys, do not panic. And, we're looking at the total markets are down right now. And, we've got some basic news. India not yet banning crypto again and again. Grayscale Trust is now discounting its largest discount ever. So you can get into the Grayscale Trust at a huge discount. We're seeing that the first interactive NFT in the world, VR movie on Mars, is happening. We're seeing breaking Dubai World Trade Center is becoming a regular comprehensive zone for crypto. As you guys know, that Dubai wants to become, one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the Middle East, and it looks like they're going to achieve that. So the Visa story we talked about. So we're seeing a lot of news, Instagram activity exploding, NFTs into the NFT space. U.S. Treasury official beckons new stablecoin regulations, and that's where the Treasury, if the Senate doesn't pass wide sweeping legislation, they're just going to do some of their own regulations based on their own purview there. So, guys, I know it's not the greatest day for you all to be alive right now in terms of crypto, and I know that you guys are probably panicking in the house, and I'm not panicking. I've seen this before. For me, quite personally, worst case scenario is we're just going to have to hold, guys, to 2025 and wait for the upside, guys. But there are going to be some more dips. I mean, you can dollar cost average into Bitcoin. I'm going to be drawing down out of my Bitcoin end of December, taking about 30% off the table and just waiting, holding that. In stable coins, this is not financial advice, of course, and you may want to smash the likes and subscribe, YB guys. So God bless each and everyone. Do not panic in the house. And do not forget to go and check out my merch, guys. We got hats, we got mug to mugs, a backpack, a pillow. And guys and gals, don't forget to go check the Wifey's channel and show some love. She got some Christmas music, pretty nice stuff over there. And do go down, take the time to check out my links. We got Patreon, become a Patreon member, and buy the channel coffee, guys. And it's going to be a great time to be alive. So this is absolutely the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Hue, Vietnam. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Sleep soundly, sleep well, and do not panic in the house. It's not over until it's over, guys, and I don't think it's over. That's not financial advice, just my opinion, guys. God bless you all. See you in the next one. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow morning Vietnam time. Woo, let's get it, guys. You know you want it.